Ready to create the ultimate family turkey meal that'll have everyone asking for seconds? Today, I'll show you my foolproof 3-part method for the juiciest, most flavorful turkey you've ever made. We'll cover preparation the day before, perfect roasting technique, and that silky smooth gravy. This guide works for a 12 to 15 pound turkey, perfect for 6 to 8 people. The journey to the perfect turkey begins with the thaw, a crucial step you can't rush. The safest method is a slow thaw in the refrigerator, allowing a full 24 hours for every 5 pounds. For a 15-pound bird, that means clearing fridge space and planning for 3 full days. This patience ensures the turkey thaws evenly and safely, which is essential for a perfect cook. While that's happening, let's prepare our flavor powerhouse, a beautiful herb butter. Finely chop fresh rosemary, sage, and thyme to release their incredible aromas. In a bowl, combine them with softened, unsalted butter. This gives you full control over the seasoning. Add a generous pinch of coarse salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Then mix until beautifully incorporated. This fragrant mixture is pure flavor gold. Now for the secret to unbelievably crispy skin, the dry brine. Pat your thawed turkey completely dry, inside and out. Next, rub it all over with coarse salt, about 1 tablespoon per 5 pounds. This seasons the meat deeply while drawing moisture from the skin. Place it on a rack and refrigerate uncovered overnight. This allows the air to dry the skin to perfection. Trust me, this simple step makes all the difference. Game day. First, get your oven preheating to a hot 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial heat is the secret to perfectly crispy, golden brown skin. While it heats, gather your equipment: a roasting pan with a rack, a meat thermometer, foil, and a basting brush. Next, create an aromatic bed in your pan with chopped onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. This elevates the turkey for even cooking and builds an incredible flavor foundation for your gravy. A crucial tip: let your turkey sit at room temperature for an hour to ensure it cooks evenly. Now for the butter. Gently slide your fingers under the breast skin and rub 2/3 of that herb butter directly on the meat for ultimate moisture. Rub the rest all over the outside, then season generously with salt and pepper. This outer layer is what creates that beautiful, crispy finish. Stuff the cavity with extra herbs, onion, and garlic for flavor from the inside out. Tuck the wings under and tie the legs together with kitchen twine. This creates a compact shape so everything cooks evenly. Now, place it on the rack and get it into that hot oven. Roast at 425 for 30 minutes to lock in the juices and get that skin perfectly crisp. After 30 minutes, reduce the heat to 325 degrees. Baste every 45 to 60 minutes with those beautiful pan drippings to build flavor and moisture. If the breast skin gets too dark, tent it loosely with foil. Your thermometer is your best friend. The magic number is 165 degrees in the thigh and 160 in the breast. That's how you know it's perfectly cooked and safe to eat. Once it hits temperature, transfer your masterpiece to a cutting board. And now for the most critical, non-negotiable step: resting. Tent it with foil and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Skipping this is the difference between a dry turkey and a succulent one. It's the final secret to perfection. While your turkey rests, a crucial step for juicy meat, it's time for the liquid gold, the gravy. Carefully pour all the drippings from the roasting pan into a measuring cup. Let the fat naturally rise to the top. Then, using a spoon, carefully skim most of it off, leaving about a 1/4 cup of that flavorful fat in your roasting pan. Place the roasting pan right on the stovetop over medium heat. Whisk in an equal amount of flour to create a paste or roux, and cook for 2 minutes to toast it. To avoid lumps, slowly pour in 4 cups of warm broth while whisking constantly. Scrape the bottom of the pan to release all those delicious caramelized bits for maximum flavor. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook, stirring occasionally for 5 to 10 minutes. It's ready when it has thickened enough to coat the back of a spoon. Finally, taste your creation and season with salt and pepper as needed. For that truly luxurious, velvety texture, pour the finished gravy through a fine mesh strainer for a perfectly smooth finish. Look at that perfect turkey. Golden skin, juicy meat, and those incredible flavors. There you have it, the ultimate family turkey meal that'll create memories for years to come. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Subscribe for more family cooking guides.